This is Rohan from the uh, team Loraid, and I'm going to show you the project setup, all the devices, and as a transmitter and receiver. So let me take you through each devices. This is standard transmitter, which is equipped with the constant parameters of LoRa transmission, and this is the receiver, which will receive all the data packets and send back the acknowledgement. And this is connected via OTG to a smartphone, which is showing the receiver serial output. So it says started LoRa receiver, ready to receive packets. And this one right here is an enhanced transmitter, which is equipped with all of our research work and enhanced algorithms to optimize the LoRa transmission. So let me show you the serial output of this device. This is connected to my laptop. I'll show you the serial monitor of this device. So when I click yes, it says connecting to the Wi-Fi. So it says connecting to Wi-Fi, and there is a hotspot network in this area, which is DedSec, and it is hard-coded in the device, and the IP is being assigned to this sender enhanced as shown in the terminal output. So with the help of captive portal, these devices serves captive portal with which you can see the parameters and send the data using the device. So this laptop and these senders, enhanced sender and standard sender, is connected with the same network along with this PC, which is serving a LoRa dashboard along with the captive portal. This is the IP address of the standard sender, and this is the captive portal with which you can send the text message data and see the parameters used and the results below. Can you scroll down a bit? And this is the acknowledgement status of each request you send through this captive portal. Scroll up, and this is the validation or the pop-up which you receive when the data has been successfully sent and you receive the acknowledgement. So this is the standard captive portal. Now I will show you the enhanced captive portal. This is the enhanced LoRa sender captive portal. This shows a smart framework. It says adaptive parameter auto optimizes spreading factor, bandwidth, coding rate based on the history, along with the smart compression and performance optimization. Scroll down. It also has the same text field which you can enter the data you want to send using the device, and it also has a adaptive parameter status, and it shows the signal strength along with the performance and the acknowledgement status, same as the captive portal of the standard. This application is running on the PC, which is in the same network, and it exposes few APIs. These APIs are used by these senders to submit the acknowledgement status and all the results and or the benchmarking results to the web platform, which is running in the PC. It is called LoRa Performance Dashboard. As you can see, there are a few parameters listed. These are the summary basically. I scroll down a bit. It says data rate improvement, latency improvement, compression. All these parameters, all these values are being shown in real time. Along with that, we have a radar graph, which is for comparative analysis of both the standard and the enhanced version. It also shows the real-time transmissions along with all the values like spreading factor, bandwidth, RSSI, and along with the tags. It says standard, and this right here is coming from enhanced, and it also shows the failed acknowledgement and success acknowledgements. And in the end, we have a time series graph which shows the real-time graph of the RSSI over time, SNR over time, which is signal to noise ratio, and then latency over time. This also has data rate graph, which shows how the data rate is being changed along with the time, and this is the compression ratio of the data along with the time. So this is the now we are going to show the demo of the setup. So this is the captive portal of enhanced version, and it has a realistic sensor telemetry data which we collected during our mini project. So one of the instance of that data is being pasted in the text field, and when I click on send data, I'll just click on send data, and we'll see the things happening in the receiver serial monitor along with the sender enhanced serial monitor. So let us click on send data. So when you send data, immediately you will see the now we'll see things happening in the receiver serial monitor. If you see, I have now cleared the serial monitor of the receiver end. Now I'll again send the data just to make sure if it is displayed over here. Now I'll click on send data, and as you can see, we are able to see the received data from the tag enhanced along with the parameters which are being used, spreading factor and bandwidth, and the coding rate. Now we'll go to the standard captive portal and send the same exact data in the same environmental condition to benchmark the results. Now I'll click on send data and I'll check the acknowledgement status. So as you can see, it shows acknowledgement. So exact same thing is received in the receiver end, and the output is printed in the serial monitor. So the exact same thing is received on the serial monitor. Now let us go to the dashboard and see if the benchmarking results has been submitted to the web dashboard. So as you can see, there is a failed transmission. There is a reason behind it. So there is a failed transmission. There is a reason behind it. We have used the same receiver which has a timer of 30 seconds. It takes 30 seconds to reset to the default parameters to make sure that it receives data from the standard. So as you can see, it is able to receive data from the enhanced but not able to receive from the standard. So it needs 30 seconds to reset its default parameter so that we can benchmark the standard device as well. Now I'll again click on send data, and it is also printed on the serial monitor of the receiver. Now I'll go back to the dashboard, and if you can see, the standard entry has been appended in the transmissions. So if we see the result, we are able to see the graph coming in real time so that we can benchmark the result and do the comparative analysis of the enhanced version and the standard version. So yeah, that's all about the setup. Thank you for watching.